How to set a song as a ringtone in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually set a particular song as a ringtone on your Android device. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say that you're actually trying to set a custom ringtone on your Android phone from a custom song which you downloaded somewhere from the internet. Well, in that case, there is simply one of the best solutions, that is you can do it without any third-party apps. Especially on Samsung devices, it's really simple. All you have to do is you have to go ahead and then open up settings. Once we open up settings, you have to look for the option called sounds and vibrations. So tap on sounds and vibrations. As you select sounds and vibration, over here you can see a ringtone. Tap on ringtone and we will select the SIM cards on which we want to actually change the ringtone. So we will select SIM 1, let's say, for example. By default, you have a list of all of the sounds which are provided by your operating system or your manufacturer themselves. These are some of the best sounds which are based on your device companies and so on. But if you want to add a custom sound, you have to simply tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. As you tap on the plus icon, you'll be able to see a list of all of the songs which is actually stored on your device. So in my case, I only have one song which I downloaded from somewhere. Let's say I want to add this song as my ringtone. What I have to do is I have to select it and then tap on the done button on the top right. As soon as I do that, you can see this song is actually highlighted, which means that this is now my ringtone on my Android. And this is how you can set a custom ringtone on Android. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.